Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is what your coffee donations have enabled me to buy so far. Now coffee, it's a page on the internet. I'll leave a link underneath the video, you can go and have a look. It's a little mixture of maybe like Twitter, Instagram. Your people, your fans and your followers can go onto the coffee page and they can see what you're up to. I'll post pictures of some of the videos I'm doing. I'm finding out how to navigate it quite well. I can actually even put up little voice messages. I can put up little videos. I can post PDF files. But with your donations, you can either donate monthly or you can just do a one-off little donation that will buy me a cup of coffee or the equivalent of a cup of coffee and a cake or a treat for Muttley. Quite a few of my videos disappeared off my channel. Apparently it was a YouTube hiccup or a glitch or something. I didn't know about it until some people started asking, where's your thistle blanket? Where's the granny topsy-turvy blanket or your drunken granny stitch one? I can't find it. And I went looking and there is quite a lot. One or two other people have been telling me that their channel suffered the same. They lost some of their videos. So I need a backup. I need a place to store my videos once I've put them onto YouTube so that I have them if anything else like that happens again. So what I've done with your donations is I've bought these. These are external hard drives. Now you can keep a lot of information on these, photos, videos, anything that you care. If you can keep it on your laptop, you can keep it on these. And these are 1 terabyte ones. This is an ultra fast one. And on this is full. Now, bearing in mind I had over 500 videos on my YouTube channel. So in this one there's 450 videos stored in this one. So that one will get kept in a safe place. So anytime I need the video or pictures or thumbnails that went with that video, I've got it in this. I got this one as well. This is a terabyte of storage as well. A terabyte is a lot. It's a lot. So I've got the other 120 odds in this one. And as I make new videos, even this video that I'm doing now will go in onto YouTube, and then I will drag and drop it into this external hard drive. The good thing about these hard drives are I can video here, I can do the video, drag it onto a hard drive that is so easy to stick in your handbag with the little wire, and I can connect it to my laptop anytime I want to do any editing. So that's going to help as well. So these, they're going to be full pretty quick. I didn't want to, I got 1 terabyte. 1 terabyte is quite a lot of storage. But there is, now you can get up to like 10 terabyte ones. These ones are very expensive. These ones were like £48 each. And it's something that I wouldn't have normally been able to get. But with the coffee donations that the supporters and the people who want to support the channel have been donating, I've been able to get these two, which when at the moment was a priority to have storage to keep my videos safe. So I've got this one. I will in the future, if there's more donations, I'll get another. You can get the smaller ones. You can get ones that hold more as well. They're more expensive. And I thought that even though this is holding 450 videos, it depends on the size of the video as well to how much these can hold. So I didn't want to use a 2 terabyte because I didn't want to lose every single video if anything went wrong with these hard drives. But the thing is though, you can protect yourself, you can try and protect your videos, but you can't protect them from everything. If YouTube goes down, if this breaks down, then that's it. I can't have 5 and 6 different ones holding all my videos. I could get a nice big 4 or 5 terabyte one, keep it in the house, store all my videos on it, but still keep these small backups as well. the channel only makes its money from the advertising. So when an advert starts at the beginning or maybe in the middle somewhere, if you watch it, then I'll get paid a very small amount, but over the month it accumulates. And that's how YouTubers get paid. A lot of them, I didn't start doing it for the money, but it's now turned into it's grown so much, it's grown quickly, it's growing quick. And we're almost at 250,000 subscribers. It doesn't mean to say you're making $250,000 or anything like that. You're not. The advertising fees are very, very small. It's the accumulation of all those adverts that makes YouTubers money on their channel. So you've still got to penny pinch, you've still got families to look after, you've still got your house, your bills, your food, and little Muttley, and so it does all add up. And the coffee donations is a great way for YouTubers, for fans and supporters, to support their favourite YouTubers as well, just with a little small donation. You can make it as big as you like, small as you want, and every little bit helps out. So with my donations that I got this month, I bought these two 1TB hard drives. You can get cheaper, but this is a good make. This WD is quite a really reliable make. So I just wanted to do this little quick video just to show you what I've been doing with the coffee donations. And if the coffee donations keep going, then the next step is and replace the old tabletop PC that I have. I have an old tabletop PC. It still works. The thing is with it, technology takes over. The more technical things get, a lot of these older computers and your older laptops, they just can't keep up with they can't keep up with the expanse of technology. So please subscribe to the channel, please keep subscribing to the channel. The more, I don't get any money for subscribers, it just makes the channel look good. It will help to drive viewers to the channel, and in return help the channel as well. And it doesn't cost anything to subscribe to the channel, so please become a subscriber and just click on that subscribe button. And if you click on the bell icon, YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. So until the next time, once again, thank you so much. Go visit my coffee page as well, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.